In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe payment plans. This guide is essential for anyone looking to streamline their payment processing and manage subscription services effortlessly. So, if you're ready to get started, let's dive into the details. The first thing you need to do is log into your Stripe dashboard. From there, head over to the Billing section of the menu. Once you've accessed Billing, you'll want to select the Subscriptions tab. This is where you can manage existing subscriptions or create new plans. It's the hub where you'll orchestrate all your subscription-based transactions, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and available options. Now, the next step is to initiate the creation of a test subscription. This is crucial because by testing, you ensure that everything is set up correctly before it goes live. You wouldn't want to encounter any hiccups once customers start subscribing, so click on Create Test Subscription to kick things off. As you proceed, you'll need to input some specific details about the subscription. Start with the basics, like the name of the plan. This should be something easily identifiable, perhaps reflecting the service or product it covers. Next, choose the products or services that this plan will include. You'll also want to set when billing starts, which could be immediately or at a scheduled future date depending on your business model. Additionally, decide on the payment options. You can opt for automatic charges, which are convenient and ensure timely payments. Alternatively, you might prefer to send an email invoice, allowing customers to pay manually. This option is handy for retaining more control or for customers who prefer manual payments. After you've entered these details, consider the billing mode. Stripe offers two modes, Classic and Flexible. The Classic mode is straightforward, perfect for those who prefer simplicity and standard billing cycles. Flexible mode, on the other hand, provides more customization options, allowing you to tailor the billing frequency and terms according to specific needs or promotions. Once you've made all these settings and reviewed everything to ensure accuracy, it's time to finalize. Simply hit Create Test Subscription, and your test setup will be completed. This will simulate the subscription process, allowing you to double-check all functionalities and make sure everything works as intended. And there you have it. Your Stripe payment plan is now set up and ready to go. As you move forward, remember that Stripe continuously updates its features, so periodically check back for any new tools or options that might enhance your subscription management. Thank you for following along, and feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher.